Welcome to Dasuhanglish. Let's learn English together. Basic English. The book is on the table, and better English. The thick book is resting on the wooden table. Basic English. She is happy. And better English. Her face beams with joy. Which one do you often use? Next. Basic English. I have a red car. And better English. I own a shiny red car. Different but have the same meaning. Basic English. The boy is playing with his toy. And better English. The young boy is happily playing with his colorful toy car. Basic English. She likes to eat cake. And better English. She has a fondness for indulging in delicious cake treats. Basic English. The sun is shining. And better English. The bright sun is shining high in the clear blue sky. You can practice. Basic English. The bird is flying. And better English. The bird soars gracefully in the sky. Basic English. He drinks water. And better English. He quenches his thirst with refreshing water. Basic English. The car is fast. And better English. The speedy car zooms by. Please practice. Basic English. She sings beautifully. And better English. She sings like an angel. Basic English. He eats an apple. And better English. He savors an apple. Basic English. The dog runs fast. And better English. The dog dashes swiftly. Basic English. The sun is hot. And better English. The scorching sun beats down. Basic English. The cake tastes good. And better English. The cake is delicious. Next. Basic English. She dances gracefully. And better English. She dances with grace. Stay focused. Basic English. The movie is interesting. And better English. The movie captivates. Basic English. The dog is cute. And better English. The adorable dog melts hearts. Basic English. She is happy. And better English. She radiates happiness. Basic English. The house is big. And better English. The spacious house stands tall. Basic English. The cake is sweet. And better English. The delectable cake tastes divine. Basic English. She wears a dress. And better English. She dons an elegant dress. Basic English. The river is deep. And better English. The river has profound depths. Basic English. The beach is sandy. And better English. The sun-kissed beach boasts soft sand. Basic English. The movie is sad. And better English. The movie evokes deep sadness. Hopefully useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you want videos like this again, please subscribe, like and share. See you soon.